Okay, Marim, since I can't get together with you, I thought I would go over the output that you got, the feedback you got, so you understand what you need to change when you resubmit it. So when you go in your My Stat Lab course, when you go to the grade book, find the review, the homework assignment there, and you click on it, and in this screen here, in the top right corner, it'll say download, and that's what you want to do because then it'll show you the Excel file, your file, with the comments on it. So let's take a look at Project 5 first. So this is your Project 5 that you submitted. And so it tells you on the first page here, submissions hyphen markup. And it says that you lost a little bit more than 39 points. And it says 72 cells are commented in place on the question sheet. We'll go look at that. And then the second thing that was deducted is you didn't put the data labels on in your graph. So let's go over and look at the question sheet. All right, so on this one here, every time you see a little red mark, that means that's someplace where points were deducted. So the first one here says that you didn't set the formula. And if you notice there, it tells you exactly what to set the formula to. It says set it to count if, and then in parentheses, and you didn't put the, remember how I told you to put those dollar signs in front of the letter for the cell and the number for the cell. And then they also, we've discovered this from another student, they're not going to let you put in equal 1. They're going to make you to put in an equal 2, and they want you to put in the value here in cell B8. So if you take a look at that, they want you to reference cell B8. And then the same thing is going to happen all the way down here in the second cell here where you put in, you did put the commands in correctly up here where you had the fixed cell references, although I think that one might be, yeah, that's not correct. You have it going from A2 to J211, and it's supposed to go from A2 to A211, not J211. And then again, you need to put in the count if function. So let's just put count if here for a second. When you pick your count if function, you need to specify count if, I'll just pick a couple of cells here, I'm not actually going to do it. And then down here, they want you to actually pick the cell for the number that you wanted to count if. So in other words, if you wanted to count if equal to 1, you would pick the cell here where the number 1 is on this particular sheet. So that's what we've discovered from a couple other students in the class. They don't want you to just put the 1 in. So that same mistake happens all the way down here. So a little different mistake on the first one. You have here, you don't have the fixed, the dollar signs in front of the A and in front of the 2, and then in front of the A, in front of the 211 to make those fixed cell references. On these, you've actually put in the wrong cell for the second part. It's supposed to be A211, not J211. And that, again, copies all the way down here. So all those cells need to be fixed. And then going down here, here you have a mistake, and you put in here, you did a count if function, but here you wanted to find the number of games played for the highest frequency. So you just want to put this as equal to whatever that cell is. You want to set it equal to the cell with the highest frequency, which happens to be, I don't even know right now. It looks like it's this cell right here, this cell here. So you want to go ahead and change that. You said you put a 5 in there, and that's not correct. Okay, so it's supposed to be set to B12. Highest frequency. All right. Okay, and then down here, on your graph, you did not put the labels. There's supposed to be a label above each of the bars here, so you want to look at the instructions on that. And then, now down here, for these cells here, you were supposed to copy in everything that was up here. So once you fix what you've got here, then you want to just put your mouse over Control and copy all these cells here, just like that. Oh, not all of them, these cells right here, do a copy, and then you're going to bring those down and then go ahead and paste them into these cells here. That will bring over everything, and that'll correct all the things that are down here that are marked incorrectly. All right, so that'll fix that. And then this is probably wrong because, let's see what you have here. Oh, you didn't do it to a square. You did it to F49 times F50. That's not right. It's supposed to be a square. You've got these others fixed correctly. This one was not set to the F49 squared. You have it to F49 times F50. So that one, or times B50 rather, that one's incorrect. And then this one also, again, if you click on the cell, it'll highlight there and tell you what the error was and tell you actually how to fix it. Okay, so that's your first project. So those should be pretty easy fixes. And then your second project, project 6, you had 10 points deducted, and again, it says they're commented in place. So we go over to the questions page, and there's 2 cells here where it tells you exactly what to do. All right, so you put an actual percent number up there, you've got to put a formula in, and there's the formula you need to put in. And then the same thing down here, you put in actually you put in a function, but they actually want you actually just apparently to set this one to 0. So if you make those 2 changes and resubmit this one, that looks like the only thing that they commented on the Chapter 6 project. So hopefully this short video will help you to go ahead and make those corrections. All right. If you have any other questions, let me know.